Following the same rule, I was complete this round, and this time I will join both sides and make a body shape. I will skip 3 patterns both sides. 1, 2, 3. 3 pattern skip and join 4 pattern in both sides. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is 7 stitch, so I skip first stitch and join this yellow yarn in the second stitch. I will join this yarn in the second stitch, and first one is skip. Make 3 chain. First one is skip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make total 6 double crochet over the 6 double crochet. In the space, make 2 double crochet. 1, 2. Total 8 double crochet. 2 chain. In the same space, make 2 double crochet, and this side make 6 double crochet over the 6 stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and skip 1 stitch, chain 1, and other side will join 2 part and make a body shape. Total 6 pattern skip, and this side skip 1 stitch. In the second stitch, make double crochet. Skip 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6 double crochet over the 6 stitch. In the space, make 2 double crochet, 2 chain, and 2 double crochet. Two chain, 2 double crochet, there is total 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 double crochet, and skip 1 stitch, chain 1 and skip 1 stitch. In the second stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 double crochet, 2 double crochet. In the space, make 2 chain, 1, 2. In the same space, make 2 double crochet, and I will be back to complete this side by following the same pattern. Skip 3 pattern and I will complete this side and joining these 2 part, and this side I skip 3 pattern in the same previous part, and skip total 6 pattern. In the 4th pattern, skip 1 stitch and make a double crochet. There is total 8 double crochet, 6 double crochet over the 6th stitch and 2 double crochet in the space. Between 2 chain 6 double crochet over the 6th stitch, and this space make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, 2 chain, 2 double crochet, make 6 double crochet over the 6th stitch, so I will be back to complete this side by following this previous pattern.